Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be having a little bit of help by my brother, Magnus.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making chocolate truffle. You only need 2 ingredients and you only need cocoa powder and condensed milk. Let's begin.
We only need 1 cup of condensed milk.
Now we're going to get it to boil. Turn it on to medium-low. And don't forget to keep on mixing it. It is very important not to overboil it. Once you see the first bubble, take it off the stove. Now we slowly put 1 cup of cocoa powder. We just add half a cup and then we're going to mix it and then we're going to add more. Oh, where did my helper go? Helper!
Yes?
Come!
Oh, you ready? Come in! Back!
Can you help me mix? Okay, I can mix it. We put saran wrap and then we quickly put this in there. Put the saran wrap on it and then make sure it's nice and flat and then leave it in the fridge for a couple hours. Now the fudge has been in the fridge for a couple hours, we can open it up and then cut it into little squares.
You can make them big if you want. Or you can just eat the whole thing.
Just like this. If you want, okay?
It will look like a really, really hard Play-Doh.
And down, up and down. Now it's all cut up, we're gonna put a little bit of powdered sugar to make it look pretty.
Right there. But if you don't have it, you can just use some snowflakes.
Kind of looks like it, doesn't it, man?
Yeah. And if you want to know my sister's name, she's named Isabella. My name is Magnus, okay?
This is the end product. Magnus, are you excited to try it?
Yes!
Delicious. I hope you guys liked it as much as we did. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Bye. See you next time.
Bye!